Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SBFM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I offer an explanation video at that link. Very nice movement on this one the past few days. I know I did a video on it a few days ago, and this pullback here was pretty big. There's no doubt about that. But at this point, you got to give credit where credit's due. The bulls are making a comeback. The bulls are working back upwards. So want to get a couple of levels mapped out that can really help, measure the health of this current bounce or lack thereof. And really, a quick and straightforward way to measure the health of this is, well, let's just see if the price can continue to make progress. And progress relative to what? Well, progress relative to this area down here at 3 cents. And I'm not saying at all that this is what's going to happen, but just for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down to that level at 3 cents and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price at that point? Well, from a very literal point of view, that would be putting the price quite literally right back to where it was. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power or true strength or anything like that. Whereas on the flip side, because to be fair, no price can go straight up. So maybe the price does still come down here, but the difference being behaves in that manner. What would you now all of a sudden have in this situation? Well, now all of a sudden you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have those lows down there. You envision each of those as stair steps. And hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined right there as 3 cents. So keep an eye on that level. And that's, like I said, a very straightforward way to help judge the current health of the nice upwards bounce that's underway. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, key level to watch is going to be that purple line right there, which on my chart denotes the very well-known, the very famous 50-period moving average. And right now that value is right there around the 4 cent mark, give or take a little bit. So keep an eye on that. And if the price can get a break above there and start to close up above it, at that point, that really starts to change the landscape of the chart once more back into the bull's favor. But all in all, a nice bounce is underway. So let's just see if the price can keep on bouncing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.